This is the most immersive Harry Potter world I've seen yet. This is incredible. I went with the Lobe Blaster drink, which sounds like a creepy wizarding sex move. Kind of smells like one too. It's minty, actually.
Be aware, certain passages will not be accessible today due to heightened security.
Can you believe Umbridge is finally on trial?
It's about time she stands before the Wizengamot.
Well, this is quite the tailback.
Not surprising with everyone here for the trial. Hello? Are you going to the trial too?
Of course, Ron. The whole wizarding world wants to see justice served.
And we can't be late. I don't want to miss this.
Oh no! What's that?
I will do what must be done for the greater good. To the time room. Yaxley, dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. Confringo.
Deputies have attacked the ministry.
Wow.
Miss Umbridge has escaped.
Arresto momentum!
Umbridge has escaped.
She's after a time turner again. We need to get to the time room.
They can help us. We must stop Miss Umbridge.
Warning, Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry Archives. Unexpected
incredible.
in the Ministry Archives.
There she goes. Hickory will help.
Stupid!
You're after her. We won't let you stop us this time. Brazil!
You melon-headed saddle goose! Find Umbridge! You filthy muckler!
Unexpected lift in the Department of Magical Creatures.
Stop, Miss!
Incumbents! Now's the time turner's vote.
Attention, please remain seated. Your lift has stopped momentarily and could resume motion at any time. Again, please remain seated facing forward,
Okay.
keeping your hands and feet inside the lift at all times, and supervise your children. The Ministry thanks you for your cooperation.
Rip. We're stuck. Dobby. Uh-oh.
This is the ministry control. The wall in front of you has bumped up for your safety. Please remain seated with both feet on the ground, sitting all the way back.
That light
Your
came on.
lift will move at any moment. Thank you.
You can move at any moment. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, let's go again. Oh, no. Rip.
Oh, yeah.
Are they gonna wipe us all through? I think we even close. No.
It's a team effort, yeah.
If we all refuse, they can't move us all. Like dead weight, not alive. Oh, I mean, at least we're on. This is wild. It looks a preview. You guys, we don't get up. I'm pretty dead. You're gonna have to get a heavy man with me. You know what I mean? I think if none of us get up.
This is a long ride, huh?
It is.
Oh wait! Oh, they're moving.
Oh yeah, they were
Everyone behind us is.
No way.
Yes, all the
Nope.
screens are moving. Okay,
Guys,
so it's just our
way.
part, we can go again.
solidarity. We stay on.
Look all that.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're staying on. Don't want to buckle.
We'll be like, look, make us still on.
Yeah.
We can't get out.
Oh. Rip. No one stands up. Like,
Yeah,
they
we
can
just
get
gotta
out.
ask. Yeah, we gotta go again.
Yeah, no one stand up, no one walk out, because then we all have to get out. Safety.
I think this is probably the end right here.
How hard it is to get a virtual queue, let us stay on.
Game over.